Hey guys, I'm Dylan Tall. I'm a senior from Cedar Crest High School, and my favorite sport is tennis. Do you know how?
Yeah, of course I know. I'm a professional everything.
Should I get strawberry frosting?
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. Okay. Should I get, that's pink. It says it's charged raspberry lemonade. All right, let's get that. How many? Two? Okay. I love to communicate with people, so I'm always on the phone with someone. Basically that, or else I'm doing homework. Because, you know, senior year, usually it's supposed to be easy, but not this guy. I can get this one. Do I really need this one? Yeah, I do.
Give us a twirl. Yeah.
Catch me on the announcements, guys. Tres huevos. Wow. No, my baker's gone baking. Okay, this looks bad now. One of the perks of cooking, you mess up a bunch. Hey Mom, where's the beater? Oh, it's right in front of my eyes. All right, we're gonna whisk for 2 minutes. Do you remember Dora and su abuela? Delicioso. Done, and with a mess. Just spin it around then. How's it taste? They're going in.
"20 minutes later."
Okay. Make sure you have the one that's like a minute away from your house.
You came out of nowhere.
You here in Jonathan's house? Here to help. You're here with the icing.
He's gonna help ice the cupcakes, and you're also gonna taste test them. Okay.
Why? You want some?
No, I don't want some.
Oh.
I don't know if that's chocolate. He'll wash it. Yeah, let's get. Are we going? Are we all going at the same time?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. This is okay, so good.
What?
So good.
They are pretty good.
Look at it.
It is pretty nice.